Hi everyone, it's Cindy. It's Saturday morning. I'm getting ready to do a little bit of crafting before I get myself dressed. And I'm going to try to hit a Tuesday morning before I go meet my sister for a little afternoon tea. So I've been trying to give this stuff away for I feel like 2 weeks. And no one has claimed it. So this is going to be the last draw and the last name that I pick for this. And then I will either save it for a big giveaway for when I hit a big number, or do a giveaway later because I'm just gonna put it away. So the person for this, you need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com within 48 hours. Because Mondays, the post office is closed, so I'd like to mail these things on Tuesday if possible, or Wednesday at the latest. So the person needs to email me again at scoop71@yahoo.com within 48 hours, which means by Monday. And then this will be a closed drawing. So the person who won for this is Katzel Create. That's Katzel Create. So congratulations. I hope that you contact me. And then this is the giveaway that I have for Halloween. And so what I'm giving away is this Beautiful Night sticker sheet, the Beautiful Night paper. I'm giving away the Beautiful Night puffy stickers. I'm giving away the Recollections, what is this, Stamp and Die, and then a little bag of goodies. Okay, so the person who wins this also needs to email me by Monday, and my email is scoop71@yahoo.com, and this person is Brittany Waterfield. So if you could email me to claim your prizes, ladies, that would be wonderful, and then I'll try to mail this to you as soon as possible because Halloween is very soon, and I want you to get a chance to be able to use some of these goodies. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to have another giveaway. Don't know when. They kind of I get the urge and I just want to give something away, or I get a good deal at Tuesday morning and I get some stuff I think people will like. So anyway, thank you for watching, and be back very soon.